What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your TradingView account and utilize all of its key features. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, search up tradingview.com, and once you do so, you're going to want to click this first link right here from TradingView. And next, what you're looking to do is go to this profile setting right here, click the profile, click sign in, and you'll be able to create your account. So once you set up your account, you'll be brought to the TradingView homepage, and as you can see, you have a lot to explore. You can see a market summary of indices, stocks, cryptos, futures, forex, bonds, and ETFs. You can see the products that they offer, community ideas, markets all around the world, all the news that comes out, the brokerage that they have to offer, and just more options that they have. So now that we're done exploring the homepage, we're going to go take a look at some charts. So what you're going to want to do is go to the search bar right here, and as you can see, they have a list of stocks and crypto that you could check out, or you could search for your own. We'll take a look at QQQ's charts right now. Alright, so now that we're taking a look at QQQ's chart right here, let's just explore some basic features that TradingView has to offer. So as you can see in the top of the screen right here, you have your intervals that you can watch the chart in. You have the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. You could also click this arrow pointing down, which will show you all the intervals that you can watch the chart in. You could even star them. So if I star the 2 minute, it'll add the 2 minute right here. So now let's navigate to the left side of the chart right here. As you can see, there is a variety of options. In this first box, you'll be able to find your trend line tools. The second box is to draw your fibs. Third is to spot any patterns. Fourth box is if you're in a long position or short, you could actually visualize it on the chart. In this box right here, you'll be able to draw on the charts. If you want to freehandly draw, you could grab this brush and draw. If you want to draw a rectangle, a path, a circle, you're free to do so. In this box right here, this is where you'll find your text and notes. If you want to label out some things in the chart, whether it's a price or a comment for yourself, this is where you'll be able to do so. This box is for your emojis if you're looking to have some fun. And the rest of these boxes are pretty self-explanatory. If you want to hide your drawings, lock your drawings, stay in drawing mode, pretty self-explanatory. Alright, so now that I showed you guys a brief overview on how to work the charts, and now I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually customize your charts. I know some of you might be wondering how to get my candles to be blue and gray. So what you're going to want to do is go to the settings in the top right, and as you'll see, you could customize your candles, the body, the borders, the wick of the candles, any color you want. In the next one, you can go to your status. I just leave this alone. Scales and lines, I don't really think I touched them at all. The canvas is the background, so if I want to change it to a red background, it'll go red. But I'm going to leave it at that, which I believe it was something like that. Yeah, there's a lot of options right here. You could just toggle through them and see. They have a lot of cool customizations you could do. So now that you guys know how to actually use the chart options and customize the background, I'm going to be showing you how to actually use the charts to trade. So what you're going to want to do is go to trading panel down below. You'll see the variety of brokerages that you can connect to TradingView. So if you use any of these, you'll be able to trade. I'm just going to show you guys how to paper trade. So what you're going to want to do is click paper trade, click connect, and how you'll know that it's right is if you see this green dot next to paper trade, that means you are all set and ready to go. So there's many different ways that you could actually place a trade on TradingView. One is to press the trade button that's right next to that green dot that I previously stated. And as you can see, you have your market order, your limit order, your stop order, and you can place your take profit as you please. So if I want to drag my take profit down, up, however you want to do it. Market order, the same exact thing. If I press buy right now, it'll enter me in the position, and I could place my take profit all the way up here, down here, however you please. This is one way to actually do it. And if you want to close your position, you literally just click the X right here. It'll press close, and you'll see these arrows to show you the position that you were in. Another way would just be to use these buy and sell buttons up here. There's another market order, so you could actually change the quantity of contracts that you want to buy. So you could put it to 26, 25. And if I was to press buy right now, once again, it would enter me in this trade. I could push my take profit right here, put my stop loss down here, see how the trade goes, and if I want to close my position, press close, and that's all you gotta do. And finally, guys, if you want to know how to add more charts to your screen, what you're going to want to do is click this button up here, and as you can see, you are able to add up to 16 charts. However, it does depend on the TradingView membership you have. I have the essential one, so I'm able to add up to 2 charts to my screen, and as you can see, I have Tesla and QQQ. If I want to change Tesla, I could change it. I could put it to Apple just to say. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do that. If you want to save my chart layout now, I press save, and that's it. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, leave a like, leave a comment. Anything you want me to go over, trading concepts, platforms, feel free to comment down below. On to the next one.